Hi, it's Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and this is day 16 of the bathroom vlog. So we did the tile floor yesterday in the bathroom, so I'm going to kind of stay out of there most of today as much as I can. I might go and cut in the medicine cabinet into the wall, but other than that, I don't think I'm going to mess around in there too much. Give those tiles a good amount of time to set up and dry. And my main focus today is going to be this messy shop. So the project's getting near the end, and you can see there's just stuff everywhere. Just been kind of running in here, do what I have to do, drop what I don't need, and yeah. So I'd like to spend a couple 3 hours in here just straightening up today, getting some things put away, sorted out, cleaned up, and be able to kind of move in here again finally. I know some of you might be thinking, oh geez, at least you've got pathways you can walk through, but I like to have enough room in here to bring something in if I have to, and I haven't been able to do that for a long time. So it's time to clean it up. So that'll be a good chunk of my focus today, as well as that medicine cabinet, and we'll see what else comes up. Well, day 16 is pretty much in the books, and I did get the shop sort of cleaned up. Got a stack of stuff here waiting to go back either to the trailer or the other shop. And then I still need a few things obviously, but at least I can see the floor now. Something else I got done is I've got the crown mold sitting here for the cabinets. Just sitting here, I'm just gluing that joint. I didn't have a nailer here, or actually I don't have a compressor here to nail it on, so I thought I'll just glue it up there and then it's ready to go in the morning. I'll take you inside and see what's happened in there. So inside today I went through all the grout lines here and got any mortar that was sticking up through, cleaned that all out. Got that all ready for tomorrow for grouting. The caulking that I had in here beside the tub wasn't nice and flat, so I redid that, so that'll need some painting once it's dry. And I got the medicine cabinet cut into the wall right there. Got the cabinetry kind of cleaned up and valves on and all that kind of stuff for the water. We're ready for the countertop, which is supposed to show up Thursday. Yeah, just kind of did a major general cleanup, got rid of tools I don't need, that sort of thing. And the crown mold will go up on top of here. Okay, well, that was day 16, so I guess that's a wrap for today.